Good morning, Turman5. How are you this morning? So, good morning, Amalia and Gabriel and Ethan and Amayas. Good morning, Jimena, Madeline, Ariela, and Braxton. Good morning, Xavier, Naziah, Jose, Gianni. Good morning, Anthony, Zion. Good morning, Soka, and good morning, Jalen. We're going to start this morning with the counting song. And remember, we always start counting with our left hand. And we always start counting with our pinky because we always go from left to right when we read and when we write. And that includes reading numbers. So are you ready, friends? We're going to do 5 little monkeys swinging from a tree. 5 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 4 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 3 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 2 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 1 little monkey swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 0 monkeys. No more monkeys swinging from the tree. Now, if you remember, my friends, we were reviewing some letters. Up here, we have the O and T. O, if you remember, says ah, and T says t, 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 t. But when we put them together, they go ought. Now let's see what kind of words we can make with our ought. We have pot, pot. We have R, remember it's the race car letter, rut. We have the letter C, which goes cut. We have the letter D, and remember, letter D, reason why we know letter D is the letter D, because it starts with the circle. It goes D, 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 dot. Then our next letter is G, G, got. And the letter J, which goes J, 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 jot. And the letter N, which goes not. And the letter L, which goes lot. And the number H, which goes hot. And here we are, just like magic, back in my kitchen. Now we're going to do some kitchen science or some kitchen magic. And for this experiment, we're going to need some food coloring. We're going to need a bowl with some water in it. We're going to need some pepper. And we're going to need some dish soap. So I wonder what's going to happen when we mix all these things together. So the first thing I did is I took a bowl and I filled it with some water. Now I'm going to add some food coloring. You don't need very much or you're not going to be able to see much. You don't actually need food coloring if you don't have it, but food coloring makes everything just a little more fun. And it'll make it so the kids can see it just a little bit better. So I'm going to take my pepper. Now, remember when we talked about catalysts? Look, when I put my finger in, not much happens. But I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to dip it in my dish soap. And we're going to see what happens. Oh my gosh. So, do you guys remember when we talked about our catalyst? I think that the dish soap would be our catalyst because when I put my finger in, nothing happens. So just a simple magic experiment you can do at home. And all right, friends, I'm so glad that I got to talk to you today. I really miss you and I love you. And I will talk to you next week. Goodbye.